Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on a Subaru Forester 2013 and onwards. So for step 1, you want to make sure the ignition is on. Now you scroll with either the up or the down arrow on the wheel and you select by pressing set. Now press the up or down arrow and scroll the menus until you see set in the display. When set is highlighted, pull and hold the set button on the wheel until you access the maintenance menu. Now for step 2. After selecting maintenance, you should have 4 options in the center display: engine oil, oil filter, tires, and maintenance schedule. Select which one you want to reset and press set. If you selected maintenance schedule, type in the remaining mileage or the time until the next maintenance light should pop up. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.